All right, I changed the battery in my 2015 F-150 because the old battery was, I guess, sulfated or whatever. It was the original battery. It was 5 years old, and standard motorcraft battery. It finally failed. I bought a very high-end Deca battery made by East Penn and popped it in here. It has 70 more cold cranking amps than the battery I replaced, but other than that, same size and all that jazz. The charging system is not charging it correctly because on any recent vehicle, you have a battery management system, or BMS, and it still thinks the old battery's in there. Ford wants to charge 45 minutes of labor to go in and reset the BMS so that it will detect the new battery and charge it accordingly. I can't believe that I can't change the battery in my own vehicle anymore. I'm not paying the dealer for it, so I downloaded the free FORScan software and purchased the OBD link adapter recommended by the developers of FORScan. So we're going to see how easy this is. I'm going to turn the truck on. I've already connected the cable to both ends. The driver installed automatically in Windows 7. I didn't have to do anything. It just worked out of the box. Just plug the cable in. Okay. Now we're going to connect to the vehicle. Now that my vehicle is on, connect. Okay. Optimize it for maximum performance. Yes. Okay, it found the profile where I connected the first time, so I'm just going to say, go ahead and load it. Down here, you can see that it says reading vehicle info. It's finding all the sensors. Now that it's ready down there, we can actually do this. We got to go over here to the service icon. Somewhere in here, battery monitoring system reset. We have to start this. This procedure resets it. Battery is replaced in vehicle. Okay. It's been started. Now we're just going to see what happens. Please turn the ignition off. Okay. Ignition is off. Okay. Turn it on, but don't start. Okay. Service procedure completed successfully. Okay, I don't even have to hit stop. Well, that's it. So it only took us, with the video and everything explanation, I'm at just over 3 minutes now. So there's no way Ford can justify that. I think it's something sent down from management. We're too stupid to change a battery. We'll blow ourselves up or something. Who knows? Anyway, I'll reply to this, maybe make a follow-up video after I know the battery's working. But there you go. You can see the time. It took it less than 1 minute to do. Totally unjustified charging 45 minutes of labor for this.